Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to continue with the second part of the physical quantities and measurement chapter. In the first part we have learned about two physical quantities that were the density and relative density. Based on the density only, the topic that we are going to study are floating and sinking. So the question here arises कि why do objects float or sink in any particular solvent or in water? Here we are taking the example of water. If the substance or the object is having density more than the water, then the object sinks, such as iron. And if the density of the object is less than the water, then the object always float on the water, like cork and wood. And there are many other examples in your daily life. Some of the applications of flotation that we come across. Number one, flotation of iron ship. We have just seen that the iron nails sink in water, while a ship made up of iron floats on the water. The reason is that the ship is hollow and has empty spaces, which displaces more water, and the density is less than that of water as compared to the nails. That's why ships easily float on the water. Next, take the example of iceberg. The density of the ice is less than that of the water. Therefore, iceberg floats on water. Third, there are markings on the hull of the ship to indicate the level up to which they can be submerged safely in the sea or the river water. These are called Limsoll Line. If a ship is loaded beyond this Limsoll Line, it runs the risk of sinking. Variation of density and gases along with temperature. If we have seen that the density of the substance is calculated with the help of mass and the volume of the object. Let's take an example. If we heat some ice cube, it will first convert into water, and if we continuously provide heat to this water, it will start increasing its volume. As we have just seen the formula that the volume is inversely proportional to the density. That means if the volume of the object of the or the liquids are going to increase, the density is going to decrease. When we provide heat to the molecules, they start moving very fast due to the heat gain, and they move upwards. When they go upward, they slowly become cooler, and they again come back. This is a constant movement. So because of this, there is rise in the volume of the liquid or the fluids. We know what's our fluids. Fluids are liquid and the gases both called together. So in the picture, you can easily see that when you are providing the heat, the liquid is rising up. Even when it gets changed into gases, the gases are rising up. And when they go up, they become cool and they again get back and near the source of the heat, again they get heated up and they move on. This forms a upward and downward movement and is constantly repeated, which is known as convection current. So what is convection current? Convection current says that when we heat something, it rises to the top, and when it cools down, it sinks down to the bottom where we get the heat source. So why the fluid rises up? Due to the decrease in the density. And why the fluid moves down? Due to the increase in the density. This is only known as the convection current. Concluding the chapter for today. See you in the next chapter and in the next class. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.